The plan for this chapter will be to learn about how to add multimedia content using the toolbar. In this section, a student will be able to learn about how to include multimedia content by using the toolbar in each of the three SRL phases: planning, doing, and reflecting. The toolbar offers different options depending on what the student is working on: task goals, content, or reflection. For example, when the student is working on their task goals, the student adds a task goal and then can add supporting task goals, strategies, record, write, attach files, and add related links. These powerful resources stimulate the student's creativity as well as oral and written skills. In doing, the toolbar offers different options. This is Vanita's play rehearsal. To know more about the recording feature, go to the chapter which addresses this topic directly. This is what Vanita wrote in her work. These are the links that she added. The attached files are drafts of the final version of her play. You can click on View to see it better. You can view a video of the play posted on YouTube via this link. If you want to know more about attaching files, there's a chapter in this tutorial that shows you how to do this. Reflection. Think about your subject area. What kinds of assignments can students include in this section? How can they use the technology to support their learning? During this chapter, you learned about how to use the toolbar to add content, the technological features that ePEARL offers to the student to write, type the work using the text editor, to record herself and to attach files. Now it's your turn. Open your demo account and practice. You can also print the instructions by clicking on the print button.